On YouTube? Facebook seems to be completely fine. This is weird. No, that's not you. That's Ad. It's a friend. Alain Didier. Facebook seems to be completely fine. What? This is weird. What do you say? No, that's not you. That's Ad. It's a friend. Alain Didier. Facebook seems to be completely fine. What? What do you say? No, that's not you. That's Ad. Yeah, this is like a loop of madness. So on YouTube, I have one viewer. It's showing live for 5 minutes, but Facebook is completely fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a loop of madness. So on YouTube, I have one viewer. It's showing live for 5 minutes, but Facebook is completely fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a loop of madness. So on YouTube, I have one viewer. It's showing live for 5 minutes, but Facebook is completely fine. Yeah, this is like a loop of madness. So on YouTube, I have one viewer that's doing live for 5 minutes, but Facebook is completely fine. Yeah, this is like a loop of madness. So You should be able to hear me now. Okay, just one moment. Hey, if you're watching this and you can hear me, let me know. Let me see here. Yep, I think I changed the mic. Can you hear me? You should be able to hear me now. Okay, just one moment. Hey, if you're watching this and you can hear me, so let me know. I'm on Facebook here, and there are two people watching. I changed the mic. So Brian, I think you're one of us. And then I'm trying to figure out. You should be able to hear me now. Screens here, so I can get it to play on YouTube as well. So if you're listening or watching anywhere of these two platforms, let me know. Let me see what it looks like. It looks very weird on Facebook right now. Yeah. Hey, if you're watching this and you can hear me, so let me know. I'm on Facebook here, and there are two people watching. Change the mic. So Brian, I think you're one of us. And then I'm trying to figure out. You should be able to hear me now. Screens here, so I can get it to play on YouTube as well. So should fit here. If you're listening or watching anywhere of these two platforms, let me know. Let me see what it looks like. It looks very weird on Facebook right now. Here, yeah. Hey, if you're watching this and you can hear me, so let me know. I'm on Facebook here, and there are two people watching. Change the mic. 1 second. Brian, I think you're one of us. And then I'm trying to figure out. You should be able to hear me now. Screens here, so I can get it to play on YouTube as well. So that should fit here. If you're listening or watching anywhere of these two platforms, let me know. Let me see what it looks like. It looks very weird on Facebook right now. Here, yeah. Hey, if you're watching this and you can hear me, so let me know. I'm on Facebook here, and there are two people watching. Change the mic. 1 second. Brian, I think you're one of us. And then I'm trying to figure out. You should be able to hear me now. Screens here, so I can get it to play on YouTube as well. So that should fit here. If you're listening or watching anywhere of these two platforms, let me know. Let me see what it looks like. It looks very weird on Facebook. Think. Is it better now? All right, we've been able to get the audio to work. I'm able to pick up one sound, only one source. Computer is telling me I have 6 issues to fix. I don't care. All right, live streaming is fun, isn't it? Let me see, display capture. The big electric capture was this guy. So no, hey. So I'm looking at YouTube to see what this looks like, and it looks very unpleasant. And I want to change the screen to the capture, display capture. Yep, this is what I want to change right now. So let me see here. Let me get my display capture. Nope, that is not the one. I want to change the window capture. So for the window capture, what I'm going to do is pull out the screen here. This should be fun. Let's see how it looks like when I'm done. I'll pull out the screen and bring it. I'm trying to centralize it, but it would not centralize. For some reason, it's not going to allow. Let me see if I pull it all out. What happens if I actually pull completely everything and bring it to the fore? Let me actually pull it all out, right? Huh? Yeah, this looks wrong. Feels wrong and it looks wrong. I don't know about you, but I should have been doing this. All right, let's try this one. Move that to there. Let's see what it looks like on YouTube right now. Man, this is so much more than I thought. It's more than I signed up for. You know? Hey, look at that. It looks slightly bigger on the screen. So let me see, increase full size. Okay. So from all indications, I am missing something at level of resolution. I know, right? I know. I'm trying to figure this out. Technology is, yeah, this is just a test, so don't worry about watching about anything. I was thinking of doing this private, but Masa, I'm lost and actually confused because I'm looking at 3 screens. I'm capturing on this screen here and then watching how it appears on YouTube and Facebook. But it does seem that if I just fix on one screen, it should be fine. So I'm going to focus on figuring this out only on Facebook actually. Yeah, if I can figure out how that looks on Facebook, it looks like YouTube will look just fine because it's the same ratio. So yeah, let's get to it now and see what that looks like. And today's the first day I installed Streamlabs, which is very weird because I'd never tried to play with it. And they don't actually, thing about Streamlabs is it doesn't give you the ratio to select, 720 or 1080. So you have to zoom it in out to know anything that's going on, which doesn't feel right. So capture method here. Let me just say the automatic method. What does that look like? The window has been selected. It hasn't made any difference. Matched up. Nope. Same. Yeah, it doesn't change anything. So what I'm trying to do, I'm using Streamlabs. Essentially, I don't want to pay any money to use Zoom so I can stream on Streamlabs. So I'm trying to find a way to stream on Facebook and YouTube using a Google Hangouts call. I know, it's weird and complicated. And I don't want to pay for anything right now because the money would not give me the value that I'm expecting. So right now it's just a test. I want to see if I'm able to do this regularly on every weekend, then I might consider paying the monthly fee for Zoom. So I want to do a group call on Google Hangouts. That's why you see the whole Google Hangouts thing here, the screen. I want to do a group call on Google Hangouts and then stream that using Streamlabs to both Facebook and YouTube. So that's my goal. Right? Yep. Thank you. Like now I had an issue with audio because I was collecting the audio from both the computer and the audio from the webcam. This is not the audio I'll be using. So it surely sounds very weird. I just finished work and I don't want to set things up right now. So yeah. Sometimes people really need to see. So my wife is trying to help me out and she was watching on the phone. She's the one who pointed out that the audio was looping, and also Kobe, my friend from Facebook. So just planning to do a simulcast on both YouTube and Facebook. Yes, correct. That is what I'm planning to do. So I want to do a Google Hangouts call and then cast that on YouTube and Facebook. That's my goal essentially. I thought of using OBS, but OBS seems to require me to put a key in YouTube instead. So I don't know how I'll be able to do both ways because Facebook didn't require that. But yeah, there's a lag. I think there's an audio lag which I need to detect and fix somehow. But I'm utterly confused right now. But this is fun. my issue I'm trying to sort out right is the screen. The screen doesn't look right. The resolution seems okay, but it seems a little bit off. It's like I spread it out too much. So yeah, I want to do a simulcast. I have to sort out the screen, the video, and then the audio, so that I know there seems to be a lag on the audio for that. Do you have any recommendations? Allows you to build, but not sure what costs. I pay for all of it. Really? What did you pay for? Because I might just end up paying for it. This is so much trouble. I don't know if I really have to do this kind of life. What was the software? What platform was it? Streamlabs, StreamYard, or which one was it? Oh, cool. Thank you. Great. I'm glad that's possible because I thought I had an audio problem. So if it's streamed okay on YouTube, I think on Facebook too it's fine. So that's good news. So thank you. What was the platform you used? Because if the audio is great, then I really let me switch this again. I try to cover my screen. The problem with Streamlabs right now that I'm seeing is the screen I have to play with, the space I have to play with the capture does not match what it reflects here. So it's rectangular. I don't think it's 1080. I don't. Yeah, so I'm going to put that here and then see again. So I have to pull that out manually. And what sucks is that when I'll make that phone call, I'll probably have to do it again. Yes, I'm live on Facebook, so let me just copy that. Oh, I haven't done this. Yes. Yeah. I'll send you the link right now. The sad thing about Streamlabs is I can't even respond to comments in the software. I need to go out of it. That's weird. I see why people pay for stuff, essentially. This is so much hassle for free. I think they make this intentional so you have to pay for it. All right, let me write. So I have a bit.ly link here for the Facebook page that you can check out. Actually, let me just pull that here from some of the browser already. I hope it doesn't play here. Yep, it's not playing. So it's a video link. Let me copy that and send to you on YouTube here. So I'm sending the link for the video directly, the Facebook video. So that should be it. And then I'll try to adjust the video ratio. Something in me just hurts when I see these dark spaces that are not symmetrical. I don't know. But right? Yeah, eCam is Mac only. When I was trying to find out how to use it, because I just bought an adapter, a battery adapter for my camera, because I also want to start streaming with my EOS M50. It's still on the way. It might not be here by the time I want to do the stream. But I did find out that eCam was for Mac only, and then what's it called? There's an app for Windows. I just paid for that recently. I don't know. But yeah, it allows you to use your camera as a streaming device. So yeah. Interesting. Thank you. Okay. Good. This is not the audio I'll be using. I didn't know the audio was better on Facebook. So that is very weird. The same device, different audio. So it might be that Streamlabs actually, puts Facebook at the top compared to YouTube in terms of quality. I don't know. And one question, are you able to see the invite people link? Yeah, you should be able to see. I'm looking at Facebook or YouTube right now. Yes, it's right there. All right. So what I'm going to do now is work on that video ratio while you're here, just to see what it looks like. So I have Facebook Live open here. I'm going to move this a little bit and then see if I can find the perfect ratio. It does seem that it will never fill the screen though. I might have to give up hoping that I'll fill the screen. Yeah, I might not just fill the screen. So let me pull this out a little bit more. It just annoys me that I can't see any way to get this ratio right. So what happens when I pull it all out? I don't like how that sounds. So let me try this. That didn't make much of a difference, it seems. Yep, that didn't make much of a difference. It just said the same thing. Hey, Mark. Welcome, brother. I'm doing a test here. Nothing to watch. I'm trying to figure out Streamlabs. I know you're the stream master. I should have figured this out with you anyway. But I'm using my, my regular Logitech cam. I'm preparing a live stream on Saturday. It's a sort of debate, between me, my wife, and two friends about some events that happen in the Cameroonian community, some really weird stuff. And so what I want to do is do a Google Hangout call because I don't want to pay for Zoom, and then share my screen on both Facebook and YouTube using Streamlabs. So I just set up Streamlabs, trying to figure out how that works, and yeah, DSD. I know, just getting this thing. I'm trying to get the ratio right, and it's not working the way. The invite people button. Yep. Okay, great. You can see the button. All right, cool. So yeah, I guess the next step I'll need to figure out is actually how to get people in the ratio of the screen. So if I can figure out my screen by myself, it shouldn't be bad. I have 2 days. Tomorrow I have a few days off. Sorry, a few hours, not even days off. I work overtime tomorrow, so I have a few hours off to try it. And right now I need to just find a way to get this to look somewhat decent, you know? Since you're capturing your Google meeting with Streamlabs and then broadcasting that, you probably won't be able to undo. Yeah. Oh, no, I just wanted to check to see if you were seeing the screen. I don't want to undo it. It's fine. I really want to capture the Google Hangouts screen, so I don't mind it being there. I just wanted to make sure that you were seeing it. I thought it was kind of a dumb question because actually I can see it on Facebook and YouTube. So for some reason, I didn't consider the fact that you would see the same. So yeah, it's great. If I can just figure out this ratio for this thing, I'll be good for the night. Oh yeah, sure. Thanks, man. OBS Studio Streamlabs kind of makes me. He says Streamlabs makes him angry. You should be able to drag and resize the window as you need. Yeah, right. I'm trying to find the one that works. I think I like Streamlabs better for some reason because it allows me to stream on both. Mark, were you able to stream on Twitch and Facebook and YouTube with OBS? Like, did you get the key and then put in the apps and then you just post from there, or did you just use OBS to just do your streaming on YouTube only and then Twitch only? Because what I'm trying to do here is not the hassle of switching. I just want to be able to stream both at the same time on the two different platforms. That's what my goal is. So yeah. If you want to adjust the ratio, you need to right mouse click on the source and change the properties. Yeah, that's the thing. When I change the properties for my logic capture, it's fine. I can actually see the ratio. I can even input the ratio I want. But when I go to the display capture, when it captures just a window, for some reason, it would not allow me to change the size. It just shows me the display. So I'm looking at the window capture right now. Oh, sorry. She closed the door. But yeah, capture method shows me the Windows 10, Windows match the window. It pulls directly from yeah, Hangouts video is one that's pulled out right now, so it's not going to allow me. All right, cool, DSD. Good, yeah. So I'm not able to actually get the exact size. So I'll just figure that out. I mean, this has been fun though for me. It's been a while since I tinkered with software, and I know it's not writing code or anything, but I always just like figuring things out. It excites me actually to just be like, all right, why is this not working? What's going on? How can I sort it out? So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screens, and yeah, it's pretty cool for me anyway. Yeah, I'm not allowed to stream multiple and stream with Twitch because of my affiliate contract, but OBS Studio only one at a time. There's a way to do multiple though. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's why I fell for Streamlabs when I saw it, because it would allow me to do the two that I want, which is really just Facebook and YouTube. I don't want to go Twitch. I don't game, so not yet. Anyway, we need to work on that computer though, Mark. We need to figure that out sometime this year. Hopefully Corona doesn't get us. But yeah, and funny thing about Streamlabs though, I couldn't stream without selecting a game. StreamYard, if I have multiple people, it has a really simple interface, and with Stream you could do both YouTube and Facebook. So I have heard of StreamYard. I saw Roberto Blake doing a podcast with Red Romina and what's her name? Amber. I don't know her last name. I think I've forgotten the name. But yeah, I did see them use StreamYard. I haven't used it though. So I was wondering if I could find a simpler, because the people I want to invite for the call, I don't want to say they're not tech savvy, but I want to just reduce, the efficiency. I just wanted to just call and then I'll handle everything on this end. So I might have to figure that out. I might have to do a test with StreamYard tomorrow. So yeah, if you think that's a better option, that might be the case. So Resume.io, would I have to pay for it? I'm trying to minimize my cost right now for this test, but yeah, let me see how that goes. So to switch the category to something else, usually the option is right above where you pick the game. Yeah, I had to select Call of Duty. So right now, somebody will be switching to watch me play Call of Duty and just see me switching from one screen to the next. But anyway, let me resize this again and see what it looks like. Man, now I have a band up and down. So funny thing is, I switched to my laptop screen because I thought it was going to give a better resolution. I have a larger screen here that I use, which sometimes fails that. Appears gaming, just click and it should change anytime. Okay, thanks, man. I'll check that and change it. If you plan to send 2 streams out, you're going to need more upload bandwidth, right? Yeah. Maybe I should just figure out to get one and just stream that? Or I should just focus on YouTube anyway. I don't know. But right now, how does it look like? Was Facebook clear for you, DSD? When you were checking out on Facebook, did it look okay? Because I'm watching out from Facebook and it seems pretty fine. Like there's no lag right now. Yep, I have the C920. It's right here. That's the webcam I'm using. StreamYard is simple and it's all web-based. Might have to move to StreamYard though. Yeah, if that's what you say, and I believe you, man, I'll just have to figure out a way to use StreamYard and then use Restream and then sort that out rather than having to figure this witchcraft here. So, yeah. Well, I'll try StreamYard tomorrow after work to make sure that it works because I really want to get it on YouTube and Facebook at the same time, even though I'll not be watching what's on Facebook. So, if you say StreamYard is simple, that's what I'll try next. So, guys, thank you so much for this. I appreciate the feedback and the, getting that. I can see that Facebook is working. It seems pretty fine. And yeah, let me check YouTube again to see what it looks like. I changed the screen a little bit here. I checked the Restream site and they do have a free option. The monthly cost kind of suck, but you could test it. Okay. Cool. Yeah. This seems fun. Thank you, sir. So on Friday, I'll be doing a stream for talking with a couple of friends about some really weird, crazy things. You would not believe it. It's about relationships, about masculine, is it masculine? Male toxicity / like some really crazy things. So you would see the notification and you would see what's going on. I'll keep testing. So if you see tests anyway, just know it's me testing again. Don't worry about signing in. But I really appreciate you signing in, DSD. And yeah. Yes, I'm sort of leaving because I want to just end this and then try StreamYard. So I might come back in a bit. I might not because my wife is sort of pissed off that I finished work and I'm trying to sort this out. So let me go calm the fortress and then return. So yeah. Thanks, man. Awesome, DSD. I really appreciate it, guys. Mark, DSD. It's been a weird thing, and I've been trying to get on streaming, and this is the opportunity for me to get back. So I will figure this out between today and Saturday, and then Saturday, 7 p.m., actually 12 p.m. standard time, middle of the day, I'll be live. So yeah, I'm going to end this now, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Oh yeah, so let me, DSD, for the question, when are you going to do the discussion? So the discussion is on Saturday, 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. It's about, so a summary, since you guys are here, let me just give a summary. In the span of about 2 weeks, we've had a husband killing his wife and himself, and then a boyfriend stabbing his girlfriend and himself. So the title I have for it is a little bit of an exaggeration because it's definitely clickbait, but I want to talk to people. I'm talking with my wife, I'm talking with a friend who is single, who has perspective about relationships and all that, and also another guy. So it's 2 men, 2 women talking about, the question is, why are African men killing their romantic partners? So yes, it's outrageous, clearly to raise emotions, but the conversation and what I want to do is to get to a point where we talk about solutions. So yeah, talk about solutions. Yes, Mark, I'm going to hit you up if I need issues. I will probably hit you up on Discord in a couple of minutes if all this fails, but I'll try StreamYard and then see how that works. So yeah. Thank you. And yeah, the conversations about that. I'll give you an update again. So when I'll be back to the next test, I'll probably talk more a little bit about that. But I like what it looks already. I've been able to get like a decent, yeah, thanks man. A decent, it looks all right. Might have to pull that out. I don't know. I like the bands though. It looks like a movie. Anyway, guys, thanks again. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Let me end the stream here. So if you're watching this, this is a test and I'm leaving, so don't worry about anything. You don't have to like. But subscribe though. Subscribe. That'll be cool.